Here is a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners on e-commerce platforms with strong mobile app support in 2024. Step 1. Define your business goals. Identify your target audience, products, and services. Determine your business goals, e.g. sales, revenue, customer engagement. Research your competition and industry trends. Step 2. Choose an e-commerce platform. Research popular e-commerce platforms, e.g. Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce. Consider factors such as scalability, customization options, and integrations. Select a platform that aligns with your business goals and budget. Step 3. Select a mobile app solution. Research mobile app solutions that integrate with your chosen e-commerce platform, e.g. Shopify App Store, Magento Marketplace. Consider factors such as user experience, customization options, and integrations with your e-commerce platform. Select a mobile app solution that meets your business goals and budget. Step 4. Design your mobile app. Develop a user-friendly design that aligns with your brand identity. Create a responsive design that works well on various devices and screen sizes. Ensure a seamless user experience across different devices and operating systems. Step 5. Integrate your mobile app with your e-commerce platform. Integrate your mobile app with your e-commerce platform using APIs or SDKs. Configure the integration to ensure seamless data exchange and synchronization. Test the integration to ensure it works as expected. Step 6. Develop a user-friendly interface. Design a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for customers to browse and purchase products. Ensure the interface is responsive and works well on various devices and screen sizes. Use intuitive navigation and clear product information to reduce friction. Step 7. Implement payment gateway integration. Integrate a payment gateway, e.g. PayPal, Stripe, into your mobile app. Configure the payment gateway to work seamlessly with your e-commerce platform. Test the payment gateway to ensure it works as expected. Step 8. Set up inventory management. Set up inventory management to track stock levels and automate reordering. Ensure inventory management is integrated with your e-commerce platform. Configure inventory management to alert you when stock levels are low. Step 9. Implement order tracking. Implement order tracking to keep customers informed about their orders. Ensure order tracking is integrated with your e-commerce platform. Configure order tracking to send notifications to customers about order updates. Step 10. Optimize for mobile-first experience. Optimize your mobile app for a mobile-first experience by prioritizing content and functionality. Ensure the app is designed to work well on various devices and screen sizes. Use mobile-specific features, e.g. push notifications, location-based services, to enhance the user experience. Step 11. Conduct user testing and feedback. Conduct user testing to identify areas for improvement in the mobile app. Gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Use feedback to iterate on the mobile app and improve the user experience. Step 12. Launch your mobile app after testing and feedback iterations. Promote your mobile app through various channels, e.g. social media, email marketing. Monitor analytics to track user adoption and behavior. Step 13. Monitor analytics and performance. Monitor analytics to track user behavior, sales, and revenue. Use analytics to identify areas for improvement in the mobile app. Use analytics to optimize the mobile app for better performance. Step 14. Iterate and improve. Continuously iterate on the mobile app based on user feedback and analytics insights. Add new features and functionality to enhance the user experience. Prioritize bug fixes and security updates to ensure the app remains stable and secure. Step 15. Scale your mobile app. Scale your mobile app as your business grows by adding more features and functionality. Continuously monitor analytics and user feedback to identify areas for improvement. Prioritize customer satisfaction by ensuring the app remains user-friendly and efficient. By following these steps, you can create a successful e-commerce platform with strong mobile app support in 2024. Remember to prioritize user experience, scalability, and customization options to ensure a competitive edge in the market.